Alistair here with Remax and Young Real Estate, and I want to welcome you to one of our most exciting listings. It is this fantastic family home behind me on a big square fenced lot in beautiful Cedar Hills. Let's take a look inside. Located on an incredible, quiet street here in sought-after Cedar Hills, North Surrey, this home has got everything you want. 5 bedrooms, huge games room, skylights, 3 fireplaces, and it's all set in this incredible, large, square, fenced lot. If you want to know more, let me know. Alistair with Remax and Young Real Estate.